Hello everyone, welcome back to TechNith. This is Sanit. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell icon for more updates. So I am providing total labs of Code Vipassana. Please subscribe and get updates daily. So this is the email I get for day one. So click on that link. So with that link we can redeem the credits, right? So please don't be in hurry. The steps which I doing in the video, please do as it is, okay? So the page will be right to this. Then you have to click on the redeem. So I already previously in the session I redeemed, so that's why the error is shown. Okay, after that close the window. Next, click the first link of first lab. So here overview. Please read. See one thing you are doing one like project now. In that you have to learn from basics. Okay, don't use any AI tools. Please learn slowly and do it yourself. Okay, I will help you to reach out that. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment down. So next, open the Google Cloud Console. See, in that I have total for 3 projects. So I have to request increase. Okay, so if you are new to that, click on the my first project and new project. Okay, so I am here going with my existing project. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment down. So this is before you begin. So this is blah blah blah. Ignore that. But I will show what is in that word. Okay. After that, so this all you don't need to do anything. Okay. Next, why AlloyDB for your business data and AI. So AlloyDB for your business data, hybrid transactional, native AI integration, superior vector search, performance at scale, 4x faster. So these are the reasons. Now in this lab use AlloyDB. Click on the AlloyDB. You will directed to the one link. Read that if you want. If not, ignore that. Okay. Next one click and run. Then this terminal will be open. Okay. Click on trust repo. Next confirm. So it will like take 1 2 3 seconds. After that you will getting like this page. Next click on the start button. So now copy this. Okay, for wait until this will be completion of that. Now what you do means slowly copy that and wait, like Python extension is loading now. Wait for some time. Now paste here in the terminal. Then you get one link. Okay, it will take time. Please wait patiently. So here I am using again now. So the port I808 is already used. So for that I will kill that port and rerun again. Okay, please give me a minute. So here you get these links. Okay, you don't get the error. You get directly these links. Click on the first link. Then you will be directed to this page. Okay, building setup and AlloyDB setup. So first for one building setup, Google Cloud. Open your project Google Cloud Console. In that here is ID now. After beside of project ID here I will showing again. Copy this ID. Copy this ID. Okay. Now paste in the Google Cloud project ID. And now click on the linking. So it will take some time. After that you will receive one message like successful linked project upbeat register repeater. Now second AlloyDB setup. So region will be US central one. Don't change it. Next cluster name, instant name. So don't change any names. Okay. Here I'm changing because I already used now. For your sake this video I'm doing again. So database password must be AlloyDB small ALLOYDB. Next deployment complete. So this deployment complete will take 15 minutes time. For me, it's second time now. It will be completed within 10 seconds. For you, it will take literally 15 minutes, brother. 15 minutes. Wait patiently. I am only one thing here. Wait patiently. Okay. So this is for up to first project. First lab is done here. Now we have to extend from here second project. Okay. So go to Google Cloud Console. See, this is a Google Cloud Console. Don't confuse. If you have any doubt, please that take screenshot and take it, give it to Google Gemini. Okay. And also message me. I will reply to you. Now step 4. What we have to do. So firstly I run this in another browser. Now directly I open Google Cloud Console. I am running in this. Okay. Please make sure the what the difference between that and this. Okay. Now step 4. So this lab 1 will be completed. Congratulations, completed. Next we have to open lab 2 now. Going to the my mail. Click on the second. So now copy that clone repository link. Copy that clone repository link. Paste it in terminal. Then you will open like this. If you're not opening like this, after pasting the clone repository, go to the file section, open folder, and click on the connection, AlloyDB connection. Then you will get these files. In that, now we have to edit the, now make the changes to verify connection py file of your AlloyDB setup just configured in the last section. Now that means what we have to do means open that Google Cloud Console. Here verify.connection.py is there now. Now you have to change. What you have to change based on this note you get now while linking the AlloyDB. So you have to change. The details are from where I will show you. Wait a minute. So here we get our details now. In last section, cluster, host, port. Okay. So these details you have to fill from there. Here. Okay. Copy this or like seeing manually edit that. Okay. If you give any error, you can't get any result. Okay. You have to fill according to what you get the credentials. Understand? If you don't understand, comment me, I will reply. But don't forget to subscribe. So this is the details. Yes, DB password AlloyDB. That's what I changed it. So leave it that. Next, step 5. What we have to do. Open. Okay. No errors. Open that. So open the step 5 demo run. Sorry, demo run. Upside the demo run, we have this data. Copy from there and paste it here. Terminal. So it will ask for yes or no. Click on the yes. So wait for some time. It will take some time. Please wait patiently. Again, it will take yes. So I am running again now. So it will. I think it fails. Building failed. So for you, it will successful because you're running first time now. Don't worry, it will successful. Okay. It will take some time, up to 3 to 5 minutes. Please wait patiently. After that, you will get a message like build is successfully built completed. Then you have to click on that link. You will like it to one. So that's it for this. Next, what we have to do means it's running now. Please wait a minute. Wait a while. So please wait a while. And then you have to direct it to one link now. So after that, go to the Google Cloud Console. So now we have what you have to do to confirm it. You have to search it AlloyDB. So search in that AlloyDB. After that, you get this like page. No, don't read this. I'm trying what is in that. Okay, click on that. So I'm checking this, which were the correct details or not. So you don't need to check the details because your first time na you will get all correct details only. Don't worry. I am just checking for my sake. If you are running again, please do it again. Okay. Don't confuse. Don't panic. Now here you have to select AlloyDB for PostgreSQL. After that, click on the cluster, my AlloyDB cluster. Then AlloyDB Studio. Here now database Postgres. Next, built-in database authentication. Username Postgres, password AlloyDB. Authenticate. So that's it. After that, here I showing in tables in this left side bar. Tables 0 na. See, go to the tables and select star from quick test. It is a query. We have to run. Select star from quick underscore test. So you will get. So then it will shows like hello LODB created this. So this is what we have to take screenshot. Okay. So if you don't do anything this like coding stuff, please copy this or screenshot this image and paste it in the form. That's it. So if you have any doubts, please comment me and subscribe and like and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much.